Hi, I'm Naina Manori, working as Assistant Professor in the Department of Civil Engineering SVIT, Bangalore. I'm the course coordinator for Advanced Surveying. Module 4, Aerial Photogrammetry. The length of an airport runway measures 160 mm on a vertical photograph. On a map whose scale is 1:24,000, the runway scales 103 mm. Calculate the scale of the photograph at the runway elevation. Okay, you need to calculate the scale of the photograph. First, write down the data, what are all the data they have given. Okay, see here, the length of an airport runway measures 160 mm on a vertical photograph. On the photograph, the runway measures 160 mm. Okay, means the photo distance they have given. Photo distance equals to 160 mm. On a map whose scale is 1:24,000, means map scale they have given. One is to 24,000. The runway scales 103 meter. Okay, that is map distance they have given. That is 103 mm. You need to calculate scale of the photograph. That is photo scale, you need to calculate it. Depending upon the given data, you need to use the scale of the photograph equation. Okay, so you can observe in the data the photo distance, the map distance, map scale and the map distance they have given. You need to calculate the photo scale. Okay, the equation it is given by, that is photo scale divided by map scale, that will be equal to photo distance divided by map distance. This is the equation to calculate photo scale. Because they have given photo scale, you need to calculate it. Map scale they have given, photo distance they have given, map distance they have given. Okay. Okay, photo scale I am going to represent it by SP, and the map scale I am going to denote it by SM, and the photo distance I will denote it by D, photo distance I will denote it by P, and the map distance I am going to denote it by M. Okay, you want that is photo scale, I am going to interchange that. Okay, that is SP equals to photo distance they have given, that is 160 mm. Okay, divided by map distance they have given 103 mm, multiplied by, take this map scale into RHS side, this side, that is the map distance, that is map scale, it is 1:24,000, that is 1 divided by 24,000. Okay. Okay, now you can observe here, in order to calculate that is a photo scale, I said you need to make the numerator as unit value, that is 160 divided by 160 mm whole divided by 103 divided by 160 mm, that will be multiplied by 1/24,000. Okay, upon simplification you will get, that is a photo scale SP equals to 1 divided by, this mm and this mm will get cancelled, that is 1/5 15450. Then you can round it off to, okay, or you can write it as 1:15450. This is what the scale of the photograph. Scale of the photograph. Either you can write it 1/15450 or 1:15450. Thank you.